You a homeowner in Georgia looking to save on property taxes? If so, you won't want to miss this essential guide on filing for the Homestead Exemption. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to ensure you're maximizing your savings. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling an important topic for all Georgia hometown homeowners, the Homestead Exemption. If you want to reduce your property taxes and keep more money in your pocket, stay tuned. First, know the deadlines. Mark your calendars. The deadline to apply for the Homestead Exemption is April 1st, 2025. Application must be received or postmarked by this date. Missing this deadline means you will waive your exemption for the years. Determine your eligibility. To qualify, you must own and occupy your home as your primary residence by January 1st of the application year. This applies to various exemptions, including those for seniors and disabled homeowners. Gather necessary documentation. Before applying, ensure you have all required documents ready. This might include proof of residency and any additional paperwork specific to your exemption type. Apply online or in person. You can submit your application online or visit your local taxes office. For assistance, reach out via email or phone. Contact details are usually available on your county's tax commissioner website. Stay informed. If you already have an exemption, check if you need to reapply due to changes in your status, such as reaching senior age or becoming disabled. By following these steps and applying before the April 1st deadline, you can secure significant savings on your property taxes for 2025. Don't wait, take action now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finance activity efficiently. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Homestead Exemption application.